Hello and welcome to this video. We're going to look at making a mandala as a mindful activity today. Mandalas have been used by people across different cultures for centuries as a way to focus the mind, connect with the present, and express inner harmony. Today, I'll be sharing a mindful approach to creating your own mandala. The process of creating one is just as meaningful as the final piece. Before we start, we want to ensure that we are being mindful of ourselves. Feel your chair under your body and focus on creating a steady breath. Pick up your pencil or pen and feel it in your hands. Start by making a circle in the middle of your page. Slowly, we don't need to rush. Then we're going to begin moving outwards, using shapes or patterns for each layer. You might choose wave shapes, circles, lines, or other shapes as we move outwards. Feel free to try things. As you do, be present. You may notice other thoughts come to your mind. Acknowledge them, but then return your focus on what you are doing. Don't think about what happened earlier today or what you need to do later on. Just think about the shapes and patterns that you're drawing, how your pencil or pen feels as you move it, how your body feels in your chair, how your steady breath feels coming in and out. Once you finish drawing your mandala, you can colour it in, but remember to maintain your mindful focus on the present as you do. Take your time, there's no rush. And subscribe to Mr. H's learning resources for more.